Apple's next big release, the iPhone 17 Pro Max, is already stirring up excitement, even though it's still a long way from launch. Leaks suggest that Apple is planning a major shift in design, materials, and performance, making this one of the most intriguing iPhone upgrades in years. As competitors continue to push the boundaries, Apple must deliver a truly innovative device to stay ahead. Let's dive deep into everything we know about the iPhone 17 Pro Max and what it could mean for the smartphone industry. A revolutionary new design, the camera bar redefined. Apple has long been known for making incremental design refinements rather than drastic changes. However, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could mark a major shift with the introduction of a rectangular camera bar rather than the usual isolated camera lenses. This new design, reminiscent of Google's Pixel series, aims to create a more unified and modern look. What this means for Apple's design language. The camera bar is expected to house multiple lenses, LiDAR, and a flash in a seamless layout. A sleeker and more symmetrical design, moving away from the traditional floating camera modules. Some fans see this as a bold and futuristic approach, while others fear it could dilute the iPhone's distinct identity. This redesign could set a new precedent for iPhone aesthetics, but only time will tell how Apple's loyal fan base reacts to such a significant change. Material shift from titanium to aluminum. One of the most surprising rumors is Apple's return to aluminum for the Pro models, stepping away from the titanium frames introduced in previous versions. The reason? Sustainability. Pros and cons of the switch. White heavy checkmark lighter design. Aluminum reduces weight, making the device easier to handle. White heavy checkmark eco-friendly. Aluminum has a lower carbon footprint, aligning with Apple's green initiatives. Crossmark durability concerns. Titanium is significantly stronger. Will aluminum compromise the premium feel? Apple needs to ensure that durability and scratch resistance remain top tier to justify this change, especially for its high-end flagship. Display upgrades, promotion for all models. Apple's Promotion OLED technology has been a defining feature of its Pro lineup, delivering smoother scrolling and ultra-responsive touch. Now, leaks suggest that every model in the iPhone 17 series will finally get Promotion instead of being limited to Pro versions. Bigger and better display for the Pro Max. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to feature a massive 6.9-inch display, making it the largest iPhone ever. Higher peak brightness and better HDR performance for an immersive visual experience. Enhanced color accuracy and deeper blacks, perfect for content consumption and gaming. This move aligns with Apple's strategy to bridge the gap between Pro and standard models while maintaining exclusivity in other areas like camera tech. Camera system overhaul, next-level mobile photography. The iPhone has always been a photography powerhouse, and Apple seems poised to redefine mobile imaging once again with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Upgraded triple lens system. Camera with flash 48MP fusion main camera. Advanced low-light performance and sharper details. Camera with flash ultra-wide lens. Perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and dynamic shots. Camera with flash tetra prism telephoto lens. Improved zoom capabilities with sharper long-distance shots. Front camera boost. The selfie camera could see a jump from 12MP to 24MP, significantly improving detail and video call clarity. With AI-powered computational photography enhancements, expect next-level night mode, superior HDR, and more refined post-processing. Performance and hardware, the A19 Pro chipset. Apple's custom silicon consistently outperforms its competitors, and the A19 Pro chipset is expected to be another leap forward in efficiency, AI processing, and raw power. What to expect from the A19 Pro? High voltage, faster performance. Ideal for gaming, video editing, and augmented reality. High voltage, better AI processing. More intelligent photography and real-time enhancements. High voltage, increased RAM, up to 12 gigabytes, improved multitasking and memory management. To prevent overheating, Apple may also introduce a new cooling system, potentially a mix of vapor chamber technology and graphite sheets for better heat dissipation. Battery and charging, incremental upgrades. Apple has been prioritizing battery longevity over charging speed, and this trend continues with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Charging specs. Battery 35W wired charging, not the fastest, but optimized for battery health. Battery MagSafe wireless charging, 20-25W, staying consistent with previous generations. While some Android competitors push for 100W plus fast charging, Apple focuses on maintaining battery life cycles for long-term durability. Release date and pricing, what to expect. Apple follows a consistent annual release cycle, so we expect the iPhone 17 series to debut in September 2025 with pre-orders opening shortly after. Expected pricing. Money bag iPhone 17 Pro Max, starting around $1,199. Money bag iPhone 17 Air, a possible mid-tier alternative at a lower price point. Final thoughts. A strategic evolution for Apple. The iPhone 17 Pro Max looks to be a major step forward with a bold new design, upgraded cameras, improved AI processing, and a larger display. While some changes, like the shift back to aluminum, might raise concerns, Apple's focus on sustainability and lightweight construction could appeal to a broader audience. With competitors continuously innovating, Apple must strike a balance between evolution and retaining its core identity. Will the iPhone 17 Pro Max redefine flagship smartphones? Time will tell, but the leaks suggest Apple has a master plan in motion.